Today is Eureka Grade 2 Module 1 Lesson 6. We are working on subtracting single-digit numbers from multiples of 10 within 100. Here is the subtraction sentence. 10 subtract 9 equals. Now we want to solve this by taking away 9 ones from our group of 10. We can represent our group of 10 using our place value 10 stick like this. We can also represent our group of 10 like this. You'll notice that there are still 10 ones. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The only difference between our 10 stick here and our 10 ones here is our 10 stick is stuck together, whereas the 10 ones we have over here have been broken apart into two groups of 5. Now we can start to take away 9. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 10 and we have taken away 9 of them. What remains? That's right, 1 here down at the bottom. So 10 subtract 9 equals 1. Now, can we use this same strategy even when our numbers get bigger? Let's think about this. What if we have 20 subtract 9? Let's start by representing 20. Here's 20. We get 20 from a 10 stick and 10 ones. We can count these together in tens. 10, 20. This still represents a group of 10. We have a group of 5 here and a group of 5 here. Remember, all we did was take this 10 stick and break it apart. We have 10, 20. Now, we want to subtract 9. Let's go ahead and subtract 9. There we go. We've taken away 9. So 20 subtract 9. Now, when we took away the 9, did we really take it away from 20 or did we take it away from this group of 10? That's right. We took it away from the group of 10 that we broke apart. So the first step we took was 10 subtract 9 equals 1. There's that same 1 that's left at the bottom. Now, we can't stop there though because remember we had 20 this time. So we still have this 10 stick over here and we have this 1 left at the bottom. We need to add those together. So we take the 10 and we add the 1 that was left over after we subtracted 9, and together we get 11. That's our answer. 20 subtract 9 equals 11. You'll notice we used the same steps that we did when we subtracted 9 from 10. We took away the 9 and we had 1 left over. The only difference is when we subtracted from 20, we had to add this group of 10 back into the 1 that was left over at the bottom. That gave us our difference. 20 subtract 9 equals 11. Let's take a look at some more. Here we have 30 subtract 9 equals. Let's start by representing 30 using our place value cubes. 10, 20, 30. Now you'll notice the last 10 stick we have broken apart into its individual ones pieces. We have a group of 5 here and a group of 5 here, but together it still equals 10. It has the same value as a 10 stick, it's just broken into individual ones pieces, okay? This is 30. Now we need to subtract 9, but remember we're going to do this in steps. We're going to break the 30 into the 2 10s, which is 20, and 1 10 over here, which has been broke into its individual ones pieces. So here's 20 and here's 10. We're going to be subtracting from the 10, the group of 10 that we have broken into pieces here. So let's start by saying, okay, well, if 30 can be 20 and 10, let's subtract 9 from our group of 10. 10 subtract 9. Let's take away 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We've crossed out 9. What is left? That's right, the 1 at the bottom. So we know that 10 subtract 9 equals 1. But we can't stop there. Remember, because we still have these two groups of 10 or 20 over here. We need to take those two groups of 10, 20, and add it to the one that we had left over after we subtracted 9. 20 plus 1 equals 21. 10, 21. 21 is the difference. 30 subtract 9 equals 21. Let's try another one. Here we have 40 subtract 6 equals. Now, remember, we can break 40 into two parts that will help us solve this a little bit easier. Here we have 40 represented using our place value cubes. 10, 20, 30, 40. Remember, that last group of 10, it still has the value of 10, but we've broken it into its individual 1 units, but there are still 10 there. So 40 can be represented as 30, which is represented over here in all of our 10 sticks that are still together, 10, 20, 30, and 10, our group of 10 that we broke apart into individual 1 units. Now, to make this easier to solve, we're going to start by subtracting from our group of 10 that we broke apart. 10 subtract 6. Let's start there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we crossed out our 10. We have subtracted 6. What do we have remaining? That's right. We have 4 down here at the bottom remaining. So we know that 10 subtract 6 equals 4. But remember, we can't stop there because we're dealing with the number 40, and we had already broken it down into two parts or decomposed it into 30 and 10. So we have to take our 3 10s, 30, and we have to add the 4 that were left over after we subtracted 6. So 30 plus 4 equals 34. Our difference then is 34. 40 subtract 6 equals 34. That's the difference. Good work. What you're going to do is you're going to have an opportunity to practice this on Seesaw. So after you've watched this video, I want you to head back to Seesaw and you'll see your math assignment for today.